My father is the most special person in my life. He is very kind, loving, and hardworking. Every day, he wakes up early and works hard for our family. He gives us food, clothes, and everything we need. My father teaches me to be a good person. He tells me to speak the truth, be kind to others, and follow rules. When I feel sad or don't understand something, he talks to me and helps me feel better. His words are always full of love. He is a calm and quiet person. He never shouts or gets angry easily. He treats everyone with respect. That's why everyone loves him. In his free time, my father reads books or listens to music. Sometimes he tells me interesting stories. I enjoy spending time with him. He also helps me with my studies and encourages me to do my best. I love my father very much. He is my friend, my teacher, and my hero. I am proud to be his child. One day, I want to be a good person just like him. My father means the world to me.